So this is how I make 11,000 pounds or $15,000 in monthly recurring revenue. And yeah, these are all of my actual clients inside my Stripe account with website hosting and reputation management. I have 97, 297 and 497 clients. And as I mentioned on the last video, I couldn't get any clients for like last 3 months since I was traveling from UK to India and India to Bali. It was a bit hectic. In those time, I was still working on my business. I did figure out something and it has been working really well. I've been booking lots of meetings. As you can see, I didn't do any cold call and no Facebook ads. It's just with this one method, which we will be talking about in this video. So watch this video until the end. And with this exact strategy, I was just doing some trial stuff. I got 3 different clients for this website hosting, one on 8th, 10th, and 11th. And I have a bunch of different meetings booked up inside my agency. And again, if you want to know how I got these many bookings and closed 3 clients in 4 days without running any ads, watch this video until the end. And I also wanted to mention that it is possible. The only reason I'm doing this strategy, like I'm starting out from zero and I'm getting clients, just to show you that anyone can do it. The fact that 2 years ago, I was cleaning toilets, mopping floor, and wiping plates, and I quit all those jobs and moved to Bali thanks for this exact business model, which is bringing in monthly recurring revenue. Unlike other business model, you have to do lots of outreach, and if you don't get any clients the next month, you can't able to pay your rent. So this is how I make $15,723, and it's pretty straightforward and simple, but it's not easy. And again, it's not a get rich quick scheme. You do have to put some effort into it, and this is what I do. I look for businesses who don't have a website and have outdated website. I pitch them a free website, which is obviously it will be intrigued, like all the other people are pitching like $1,000 website or $5,000 website. And all these noises, you come in and you pitch a free website, which is going to be delivered today. People will be interested and you will sign those clients. And after signing those clients and delivering the website, we will get the monthly recurring hosting fees varying anywhere from 97, 297 or 497. And I will show you how this 5 to 10 minute website setup works in a minute. So what we usually do, when it comes to the 97 hosting fees, you can just give them a website and you can get the 97. But when it comes to 297 or the 497, we do have to deliver all the service which we do inside the business with missed call text back, reputation management with automated 5-star reviews, and automatic lead follow-up. So these are all clients actually need to get more clients and rank higher on Google My Business page. If we can help our clients rank higher on Google My Business page, people will genuinely go and search online and they just start booking service with your clients. The more money your clients make, the more money you will make. And if they're happy with you, they are not going to cancel the subscription. And I have clients who have been working with me for past 1.5 years. And the reason why they stay with us for a long time is not for the website or for the service. It's for the convenience and for the price. We are not charging like crazy amount of money. 97 clients can pay for the business. They can just write it off in their tax purpose. So they're not actually losing any money. And at the same time, with this 97, if we can bring in one more extra client with our services, that's going to pay for itself. And all the other clients they will be getting with our service, it's 100% profit for your clients. And with this mobile app, we will be sending everything inside, like all the text, all the DMs, all the emails, and all the booked calls, and their calendar booking. Everything will be funneled inside this mobile app and they can see everything, even the reviews. And we can also set up an automated review reply. So we can do like literally everything within this Go High level. Yes, The software which we will be using is called Go High Level. So this is the Go High Level software which I was talking about, and this is where the magic happens. And this is where we provide the 5 to 10 minute website. We go inside the site section and click from template, click continue. And this is where you can see you have literally like lots and lots of niches and industry and lots of website. And from these website, like this is like one of the website. As you can see, these are the type of website that actual agency charge anywhere from 1,000 to 5,000 upfront. And these websites you get to have inside Go High Level. All you have to do is change the logo, change the description, and if your client wants to change the images and description, bam, that's all you have to do. And if you want to like change the logo, for example, let's go to Canva, roofing logos. Let's see what we get. There you go. You can just pick one of these and change you just have to change the name and take the exact logo, slap it on the website, and you can connect the domain name on the same day. The 3 clients you saw, I delivered the service on the same day. Yeah, there was like clients may ask some thing to be changed after connecting the domain and after getting the payment, but it just takes 1 or 2 calls and that's done. Yeah, and you only have to sell this once and you get the payment every single month. You don't have to deliver the service again and again. Go High Level will take care of everything for you. If you want to copy paste my entire system just by one click, the system which I'm personally using to bring in $15,000 in monthly recurring revenue every single month, and I'll be teaching you how to outreach the client, how to close the client, and how to deliver the service as quick as possible and start stacking your monthly recurring revenue. And I'll even jump on the weekly coaching calls to answer all of your questions, and I'll help you to get more clients in a matter of days or weeks. You don't need to figure out what to sell or who to sell it to. Everything is done for you. If you just want to copy my entire system and start making monthly recurring revenue, then click the first link in the description and you will get in the entire system totally for free. And next up, the most important stuff is how to actually get clients for your agency. And this is what I usually do: cold calling and Facebook group outreach. At the moment, I'm not really a fan of cold calling. Yes, cold calling was helpful for me to get more clients. As you would have seen my cold calling videos, I was live making calls and booking clients, but I hated every single moment of it. So I need to figure out something. I need to know how to get clients without making calls and how to book these many clients without cold calling. Yes, if you know, cold calling is really stressful and it takes a lot of time, and maximum what I would have done, like I called 70 in one day and I booked 7 meetings. So I average around 1 meeting per 10 calls. That will take a lot of time, maybe like 2 to 3 hours. All you have to do is figure out a system where you spend less time and get more clients. And that's exactly what I did. It took me 3 months. The last 3 months, which I didn't get any clients, I spent all those time testing out every single outreach strategy, and I have struck a gold mine. And that's the only reason I'm able to book these many clients at the moment. And I usually try to upsell my clients from the 1-page website to 5-page website, where I can charge a setup fees for like $1,000 or £1,000 for basically for doing nothing, going inside Canva and spending like just barely like 1 minute and loading that logo inside the website. If I can do it, I try to push them for a 5-page website, but if they say no, I wouldn't be too pushy and I'll just give them a free website and I charge them the monthly recurring revenue. And slowly, if they are interested in like all the other services I'm providing, I'll slowly slide them in. And as you can see, I didn't really mention what I'm doing and what kind of strategy I'm using to get those many clients. It's just a new stuff. And the last time I showed my Facebook group outreach, which that video got lots of views and lots of people started doing it. and I stopped getting clients. People just started spamming without reading the group rules, without like stop posting on weekends. It's the bare minimum. They stopped doing the bare minimum and I paid the price. So another thing you need to know, if a strategy is working for a YouTube like online guru, he is not going to show you all the things which is working for him, because it's going to put him out of business. That's what happened to me, and I was struggling to like get up to like $20,000 a month. That was supposed to be my goal before the end of the year, and I couldn't hit the target just because I started sharing all of my valuable resources in YouTube for free. And that's the only reason I am gonna gatekeep the strategy. And again, if a strategy is working for someone, no way in hell he's gonna show it off on YouTube where it's gonna cost him a lot of money. Since I am getting lots of booking and I am closing lots of clients, I am gonna put this, I'm working on this entire flow of video on how I'm doing this. And I'm not going to post this inside my YouTube for obvious reasons. It will be inside my community, and you can watch those videos and watch those course modules and make use of my scripts. It's like a whole process, which is going to just take you around like maybe 1 to 2 hours a day to get more clients like this. And you can also get access to my coaching calls, weekly coaching calls inside the community, where you can literally ask face-to-face the questions and the doubts you have. And this is the only way I can gatekeep the strategy, but at the same time, I can help few people, which is not going to affect my business. And if you want to access this exact strategy where I booked these many calls and I closed 3 clients in just 4 days. If you want to access those, I do have every resources and course modules inside the community, and I am going to gatekeep this time. I'm not going to put anything in my YouTube, so you can have a look at it. If you want to join our community totally for free and get access to this exact strategy, all you have to do is get the free trial to Go High Level with my link, or else you can access my community straight from the school. Link is in the description, and I will see you guys inside the community.